What's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to this Domino 7 vlog. Okay? So what I'm about to do an unboxing. As y'all see, what I got in my hand in this bag right here, this GameStop bag right here. I got a PS4, PlayStation 4. Okay? Yes, indeed. PlayStation number 4. Okay? Yes, indeed. Okay? As y'all look down at what I got, there you go. Got this PS4 that I'm about to unbox. Okay? So let's go to the digital camera. Okay? So now I'm about to start unboxing right here. Okay? All right, if I can. All right, there we go. Like I already told y'all, go to the phone. Okay, the digital camera. Okay, so now I'm about to go here. Well, let's go back to the webcam. All right. Now we're back to the webcam. Okay. All right. Let me just do it like, well, I'll go back to the digital camera. Okay, now here we go. All right. Back to the camera, the webcam. All right, now back to the digital camera. All right, here we go. All right. All right. All right. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Let's go back to the camera, the webcam. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Got me a the controller right here. Y'all see that? Yeah, boy. Got the I guess this the adapter or RF switch or whatever you call that to hook up to the digital. Yep. Another one or whatever the heck this is. Okay. All right. Got the adapter right here, as y'all see. All right, and the console. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we gonna have fun with this. We gonna have awesome fun with this. Yepperoni. Ah ha ha. All right. So that's it for the unboxing. All right. Bye bye, y'all.